Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben and I'm live. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben and I am a professional day trader and swing trader. Day trade the stock market Monday through Friday, and I also swing trade the crypto market. And I use the charts, only the charts. I don't care about the news. I look at the news here and there, but every time I make a decision when I take a trade is based on the charts. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of seeing your portfolio go up and down and you don't know what to do, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are watching the replay, you can actually go to settings and hit the speed button, go to 1.5 or 2, and you can actually speed up time. So thanks a lot for coming through. Let's see if I see anybody here so far. What's going on, Alex? So during this live stream, of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. So I'm just letting you guys know. And let's get this party started. Let's get this party started, guys. Hopefully my stream won't act up today. Hopefully people are getting we call that notifications. Hopefully, let's get this party started, guys. Let's get this party started. All right, let's go. Let's go. So what's going on, Nara? What's going on, everybody? Alex G Baker. Okay. It's better if this crypto scam go to zero. Oh man, shout out to Alex. I hear you, man. What's going on, Bambino? Boy. What's going on, Massimo? I haven't seen you lately. What's going on? Where have you been, Massimo? What's going on, Gauntlet? What's going on, Exposed? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, guys, I'm going to do a quick live stream. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's, on the stream. And if you are new to my channel, thanks a lot for coming through. Right now, we are in a bear market. And the market is, right now, is pulling back, looking weak. We had some sellers come in at this key resistance level. So, we just have to see if the selling will continue. But overall, guys, the market cap at 300 billion was a resistance level, and every time we went to 300 billion, it seems like the market didn't want to go up. I'm surprised a lot of YouTubers didn't catch on, but honestly, I'm not really surprised because most of these YouTubers don't really understand what's going on anyway. Let me see what's going on. What's going on, Al? Oh, you're back in town, Massimo? Okay, so you was out of town. Okay. So Al said, one question: why does no one talk about the huge amount of power miners use to create BTC and other alts? I don't know. What exactly do you want to know about that, Al? What do you want to know about the huge amount of powers? Let me know, Al. What's going on, Glenn? What's going on, Mr. Sandy? Let me see. What's going on, Shane? What's going on, Exposed? I didn't see you. Yeah, I did see you. My fault. So shout out to you guys. So another red day in the crypto market, and the altcoins are still looking weak. Bitcoin, the volume is still weak. So overall, guys, the sellers came in and the market is going down right now. So right now, shout out to who is that? I think it was Triforce. I don't know if he's gonna be on this live stream to right now because it's 2 p.m. Eastern time, but I know that he said 7,500 was his target, so I'm quite sure he made money off this short. So shout out to him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him if I don't see him today at all. Let me hit that cha-ching button. Shout out to you, Triforce, if you are watching. Shout out to you. But you know, overall, guys, this is definitely a weak market right now. I am short BTC right now. I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1. It looks like we probably going to go beneath this breakout. So let's go to the 4-hour. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So the 4-hour, basically, if you go to the 4-hour chart, we had this nice little up move, consolidation, and continuation, right? So this consolidation right here, I know a lot of people probably got into it, okay? And not only that, I'm quite sure a lot of people are holding this long because they probably think that Bitcoin is going to 9K or 10K or whatever, 11K. I don't know what number they think Bitcoin is going. So most likely, you know, it's a strong possibility that the market will continue to go down and stop these guys out. Okay, so I believe that a lot of stops are beneath this this breakout right here, underneath this breakout. So the market most likely will continue to go down to stop those guys out. Okay, and then from there we'll see what the market wants to do. So right now, like I said, overall everything's looking weak, and you just gotta take it day by day. That's it. Take it day by day. Right now we had this key resistance level. Sellers are coming in, so that's why I took this short. And I told you guys if I take a loss on this one, it's all good. But you know, as a professional, I like high quality setups, and this one is, to me, in my opinion, a high quality setup. Let me see if I see any questions. Okay, so yeah, all right. So yes, Al. So Al, you are correct. You are correct. It is an issue. Okay, it is Bitcoin and whatever these other coins. It is an issue. You know, with these coins, and they're using so much energy. So I don't know how long that will last. I don't know how long that will last because there's a lot of energy being used to hold up this network. But like I said, I don't know how long it will last. Probably eventually everything will tap out. But you know, we'll see. I'm looking at these questions, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Shout out to everybody that's here. I'm doing this quick stream. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me see if I see any questions right here. Hey, what's going on, Annette? How you doing? How's everything, Annette? I'm reading these questions, so give me a second. Nara said, hey, Ben, have you trained your confidence by imagining things in your head, how things will go, and then actually done in real situations? Confidence is so important. Yes, confidence is so important. So what I do is to build up my confidence. To build up my confidence, what I do is I back test. I look at the charts. I always look at the charts. I always look at setups and, you know, study the charts. And then I also, if I was new, I would demo, you know, do a demo account, or, you know, make sure that I understand how things work. And then once I start to go in and start to win, you know, my confidence will slowly build. So the best thing to do with confidence is you don't have to go all in a trade, okay? So if you are new to this game, you don't have to go all in. I mean, you can risk, you know, if $50 is nothing to you, you can risk $50, you know, until you start to build up your confidence. And then you can slightly, you can basically increase your position slightly. Because think about it, if you risk so much on one trade and you take a loss, you know, automatically that's going to mess up your psyche, right? It's going to mess up your brain and the way you think, your confidence, and, you know, you're going to be scared to take the next trade. So it's all about studying these charts to get used to the patterns on the chart. It's about risking, don't risk too much on one trade, and slowly get used to making trades. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to you. She I don't know. Gupta said you influence under FUD. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means, Gupta. Gareth, what's going on? So Gareth, you said you up 14% on Kick. All right. So shout out to Gareth, up 14%. Yes, DB said willingness to learn, increase confidence. Yes, of course. So basically, just, you know, of course, educating yourself, that definitely increase confidence. Because just think about it, okay? Just think about it right now. Most people that are freaking out, right? They don't understand what's going on in the market. They freaking out. They you know, they saying, "Oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on with the crypto world." Those are the people that really don't have any education, you know. So the more knowledge you have, you know, the better you will be, because you have more confidence, because you will understand what's going on. So yes, education definitely will help you with your confidence. But overall, with the trading, you definitely have to get used to the charts, get used to taking trades, go small first, and then start building up. Let me see. You said, why do you see a high quality setup? What do you mean, why do it? DB, do you have my course, DB? DB, do you have my course? You said, why do I see a high quality setup? Do you have my course, DB? Let me know. So I'm reading these questions, guys. Give me a second. What's going on, David? How you doing? You said you stumped with using BitMEX. Any recommendations? What do you mean, recommendations? Expose. You don't have my course yet? Yeah, DB. So if you don't have my course, then you definitely don't understand high quality setups yet. So get the course, and I definitely explain everything, because it's hard to explain something um in 10 minutes. You need a course, and so I can break it down to you. But overall, this is a high quality setup, because we are at a resistance line, and the daily chart is showing me a setup. So I took it, and I'm willing to risk money on that trade. Yeah. So if you have the course exposed, what else broker did you use? Did you try JavaFax? Did you try BitMax? Um, did you try JavaFax yet? Oh, you said just not familiar with BitMax. Okay, I hear you, man. No problem. Mr. Sandy said definitely hop on the course, DB. Definitely on point. It helped me made some money last night short in BTC. So shout out to Mr. Sandy. I didn't know Mr. Sandy made his money. Okay, so Mr. Sandy, shout out to him. He's actually one of my loyal subscribers. He's making his money. Okay, so shout out to him. Let's give him a round of applause. Most people out here don't understand what's going on. They don't understand what's going on. Okay, yeah. So you can try. Like I said, I never did with BitMax before, BitMax, but you can try that, or you can try JavaFax.com. Let me see. Yeah, so DB, if you don't have this course, during the live stream, I give a 50% discount. So you have to give me some time, but probably like the next 10 minutes I'll give the discount out. But that course is, well, it's worth it, because I should be charging more. So overall, guys, the market is looking weak. If you are a buyer right now, if you're buying the dips, let me know. If you're buying the dips, please let me know if you're buying the dips. I want to hear why you're buying the dips right now in the bear market. But buying the dips right now is kind of dangerous. So let me see if I see you said mainly how to set up a trade. Okay, so right now, exposed, you have you open up a BitMax account, exposed. Nara said, if you get the course, even if you watch it once, it will change the whole game of crypto and trading for you. So shout out to Nara. Thanks a lot, man. But of course, he said, if you want to watch it again and again and again, love it. Best invest you can do. So shout out to Nara. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, shout out to Mr. Sandy making his money out here. Okay. Shane said, is ADA going lower? Let's look at ADA. So ADA basically off this 4-hour, we had this drop, consolidation, it broke out of this nice little triangle right here. Let's look at the daily chart. So yes, it looks like it's going to go lower. It looks like it. All depends on what Bitcoin wants to do, but as of right now, yes, it looks like it's selling off and wants to go lower. So, you know, what's going on with these altcoins, guys? You know, these altcoins are just looking horrible. I don't know why XRP spiked like this. But you know, it looks kind of fishy, but it's definitely a spike to the channel, and probably is going to sell back down. Anybody know why XRP spiked like this? Let me see. So these altcoins, guys, overall just looking weak. Ethereum is shoot. Look at Ethereum, guys. It's crazy. It's just going down like it's nothing, dropping like a rock. These altcoins is just getting slaughtered right now. So right now, these altcoins is just not a good investment. And if you are buying these dips, this is why I tell people all the time, buying dips in the bear market is not a good thing, because prices look good. Of course, they look good, but it's a strong possibility that the market will continue to go down. Let me see. All right, so let me see if I see any questions. What's going on, Hall, Mr. Hall? Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot, everybody, for coming through. If you are new to my channel, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know, actually, because I've been doing this for 10 years plus, actually 11 years. So let me know if you have any questions. Gupta said BTC heading to 6K. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see if Bitcoin is ready to head to 6K, because you know, it's a possibility it could bounce up one more time to test this high. Okay, but we'll see. We'll see. Because right now it looks like it's trying to at least test this low right here, and from there we'll see how Bitcoin is going to react to that low. So I'm looking at these questions, guys. Let me see. Sean said, this is the only live stream today? I don't know. And you said you're buying the dips. So Sean, you're buying the dips. Let me know why you're buying the dips for, Sean. Let me know. You said you bought XLM a few weeks ago. Let me know why you're buying the dips right now. Let's go on the daily chart on this one. So yes, it's reacting to this trend line right here. If you look at, then it's reacting to this trend line you see right here. So, you know, you said, shout to Expose, said he's the course is fire. Yeah, Expose. When I go over the recap, and I do explain everything. How to take the trades. Just check out the video once again. But thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Shout out to Nara. Nara said, even more important than money, the course will change your way of think in your life. So shout out to him. It will make you understand that you can do this. So shout out to him, man. Thanks a lot, Nara. David said, finish section 1, and my wife and I find it really interesting. So thanks a lot, David. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, and I'm glad that you like it so far. Gareth said, was watching YouTube videos till I watched Ben's videos. Open my eyes. Thanks a lot, Gareth. So XRP bank test. They had a bank test. You said that Clinton joined XRP. I don't think they joined XRP. I think they were just talking. I would think they were just talking at some conference. I think. I don't think they joined it. But yeah, guys. I mean, overall, we're gonna have these spikes here and there. These cryptos are gonna have news here and there, but you know, we have to understand we are still in a bear market. We are still in the bear market. So Ethereum Classic looks like trend line is holding, selling off. Most likely will continue to go down. So this definitely looks like a good short, right? Because this looks like a nice little triangle, right? This definitely looks like a great short right here. But anyway, guys, let me see if I see any questions. BTC starting to form a head and shoulder pattern. What time frame? Lord of the Boards, what time frame? You said long-term buy, goodbye. So let me ask you this question, Sean. If Stellar drops more, how will you feel about that? Okay, how would you feel about that if Stellar drops more? Because Stellar could drop all the way down to here. How will you feel about that? So Sean, shout out to Sean. Stellar could drop all the way down to here. How would you feel about that? Let me see if I see any questions. So you said XRP. Hey, what's going on, Leslie Savage? Ray Dog, XRP spike because of the news being used by Japanese Forex. Okay, I hear you, man. Thanks a lot for telling me, because, you know, I really don't look at the news like that. I just look at the charts. Okay, so Exposed said he's gun shy. So Exposed, if you're gun shy, a couple of things you can do. First of all, did you try demo yet? Did you try demo yet? So if you're gun shy, just go straight to the demo, okay? And once you go live, this only risk a little bit. So maybe $20, $40, whatever the case is, you know, and that will help you gain confidence. Exposed, that will help you gain confidence. That's why that's actually, I talked about that in the course and control your emotions section. Okay, I talked about, you know, if you're risking only $10 or $20, you're not going to care whether if you lose $10 to $20. So, you know, do that first to build up your confidence, or go to demo to build up your confidence, and then that will help you get over that gun shy thing that you have going on. Let me see if I see any more questions. Ray Dog said massive volume increase coming for XRP in August. But Ray Dog, that doesn't really matter. XRP, it doesn't really matter what XRP is doing, because it's connected to the crypto world. So if XRP wasn't connected to the crypto world, then yeah, I would say, hey, you know, XRP has a chance. But since XRP is connected to the crypto world, if BTC is going down, guess what? XRP is going right down. You know, it's going down with the whole market. So that's the bad thing about the crypto market right now. Okay, that's the bad thing about the crypto market. If BTC is going down, everybody else is going down, man. Leslie Savage says shorted Ethereum last night for $40. One good short days keeps overtime away. So let me hit that cha-ching button for you guys. Shout out to Leslie Savage making his money. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Okay. So Leslie Savage is he shorted Ethereum ETH, and he made $40 last night. So shout out to you. Actually, let me give you a round of applause. And Leslie Savage is actually one of my students. He's one of my students. So someone actually asked me about the course. So let me go to the course and get that over with. Let's get this over with, so I can go back to the charts. Basically, what Leslie Savage is doing, he's using the strategies that's in this course. And not only Leslie Savage, other people that's making money is using the strategies that's in this course. So this course right now on live stream, I give you guys a 50% discount. And it's best to take advantage of this on live stream, because when I get off a live stream, it's going right back to 210. And basically, this course will show you how to make money right now. And you see how Leslie Savage just made $40? Okay, but it's not just him. There's a lot of people making a lot of money pretty much almost every single day, because this is how you can actually do it. Okay, you can read my testimonials, and you can see how people are actually making money from this course. So it's up to you if you want to learn how to read the charts and make money. And let me copy and paste this link to you guys that don't have it. And if you have a 9-to-5, you can still make this work, because this is all about swing trading. It's not about day trading. So shout out to you guys that's making this money right now. You don't have to wait, because most people are waiting right now to hope to see Bitcoin goes up. But you know, overall, guys, let's keep it real. Bitcoin broke our hearts so many times. Okay, in February it went up, it shot right back down. In April went up, shot right back down. It went up here in June, and it looks like it's going to shoot right back down. So, you know, if you're tired of this roller coaster, tired of seeing your portfolio go down, definitely check that out. You can still hodl, but if you want to make extra money every month, then definitely check out that course. If you have any questions, let me know. So let me go back to these questions. XRP is a winning lottery ticket. So Sean said, great, I will buy again. Okay, so Sean, you got my course yet, Sean? You got my course yet, Sean? Let me know, Sean. Sean Turner, did you get my course yet? Let me know. Scholar Wood said, I'm buying your course today. Could you put the discount on? So shout out to Scholar. I didn't even see that, that comment, but I just actually put the discount on just right now, Scholar. So thanks a lot for supporting the channel. If anybody else don't have the course, definitely check it out. This will show you how to become a professional. It's just what it is. Like I said, I don't play no games. I do this full time. I don't have time to make videos saying things is going to the moon or hype you guys up just because I want views. I don't have time for that. I want to give you guys the real deal. This is why you see my students making money. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage of that. Right now, the whole market is weak. And it looks like it wants to go down more, test these lows. So, you can take advantage of that. Yeah, so Sean, I can tell that you didn't get my course yet because the way you're talking, Sean, shout out to you. I know I saw you on the chat. I saw you here before, Sean. The way you're talking, I can tell that you didn't get my course yet. But shout out to you. You have to understand that there's multiple ways to make money. Okay, so I understand that you want to continue to buy every time it goes down, but you have to understand it's going to come to a point where this thing could go so low to the point where you're going to scratch your head and ask yourself, should I buy anymore? Or you might not even have no money to buy no more, or you might have all your life savings into one coin, and that's the recipe for disaster. Putting all your life savings in one coin. Okay, nothing. You have to understand, Sean, and people don't like when I say this, but I have to tell the truth. I have to tell the truth. Nothing in this world is 100% guaranteed. Nothing in this world is 100% guaranteed. So I understand that you feel that XLM is a good project, or one day it's going to go to the moon, but nothing in this world is 100% guaranteed. So as a professional, I would never ever put my money on one coin and sit there and let it sit there, because number one, I'm tying up my capital. That's number one. Okay, that's the main thing. I'm tying up my capital. Okay, I would never do that because I have to do this full time. I have to pay bills. I have to go on vacations. I have to live the life that I want to live. I can't do that by just keep on buying the dips, because this thing could continue to go lower and lower and lower and lower. Okay, and not only that, it's going to come to the point where I don't have no more money to keep on buying this stuff. Okay, not only that, you have to understand that most people, the way they treat cryptocurrencies and the way they treat their coins, they automatically feel that this thing will go to the moon. And I don't know why people have that, have that. Well, I do know why, because, most of us been brainwashed to just only buy and hold. But buy and hold is not 100% guaranteed. So you basically putting all your eggs in one basket, and you're hoping that this thing will moon one day. Okay, let me show you something real quick before I continue to answer more questions. So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. And a lot of people don't like when I say this, but I have to tell the truth, because I've been doing this for 11 years, and this is what I do full time. So if I don't say nothing to you, I deep down inside, I'm going to feel bad that I didn't say anything to you. Okay. So this is a snapshot of Coinbase. Not Coinbase, CoinMarketCap in November 2013, when the market started to drop, right? Started to crash, right? Look at the first page of Coin Market Cap. Okay, what do you see? I only see Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ripple. Look at the rest of these coins that's on the top list. They gone. Most of these coins are gone, or most of these coins are here, but they're not doing anything. Okay, and this is what I tell most people: you can't put all your eggs on in one basket and hope that it will just moon to, you know, to whatever amount that you think is going to go to. Okay, look at Peercoin, PPC. This was like 5 years ago, right? Let's type in PPC. And 5 years ago, it was at 171. So right now, 5 years ago, 171. So let's type in, let's look at PTC, okay? Is at 189. So you only gain what? A couple of cents? 11 cents. So 5 years later, your PPC coin, and I'm not saying that's your coin, but I'm just saying your PPC coin is at nearly the same price. Okay, so the way people go about this investing is wrong, put like that. Okay, and people hate when I tell them that that's not the way to go, because they been brainwashed to think one way, buy and hold is the only way. I don't care. I'm gonna keep on buying the dips. I'm gonna buy the dips until this thing go down to zero. People don't understand that this is not guaranteed, guys. Nothing is guaranteed. And when I talk about this, I don't just say this about crypto world. I talk about this. I talk the same way about the stock market too. I don't like putting all my eggs in one basket. I don't believe in companies like that. Okay, to the point where they will never disappear. We saw what happened in 2008. These banks that was around for a lot of years disappear. Okay, so you have to understand how the market works. I know you're not going to listen to me. I understand you're not going to listen to me because you're still new. I understand you. I understand that once it goes down, you're going to keep on buying. I understand, Sean, but for me, a guy that's, you know, is doing this for a living, it's hard for me to not tell you this and watch you just lose your money. Even if I know you're not going to listen to me, but it doesn't matter if you don't listen to me or not. I have to tell you this. Okay, so shout out to Sean. Let me go back and read these questions. Let me see. Eric, what's going on, Eric? For me, the same. First time listening to you, YouTube. Different YouTubers. Your approach makes sense. One of the reasons why I bought your course yesterday. So shout out to Eric. Eric is the guy that actually bought this course yesterday. Okay, he's talking about this course right here. So if you don't have this course right here, this is a must get. People are making money right now, guys. Actually, like every day or every other day, someone telling me they're making money. So I just copy and paste that thing, that course if you want to get it, because it's 50% off right now. Okay, when I get off for live stream, it's going to be 210. Let me see. Shout out to Skylar. Skylar, let me know if you got the course. I know I'm behind on my comments, but you know, let me know if you got the course. 45. What's going on, 45? I didn't see you, man. Trading is not about entries and exits. It's about mindset. Ben goes over this course. If you don't have the right mindset, you will not make it. Exactly, 45. You can have the best strategy in the world. You can have the best strategy in the world. If your mindset is not there, it's a wrap. It's a done deal. But what's going on, 45? Good to see you here. Nara said, I think there are a few coins, XRP for example. These coins have crazy supporters. Yeah, I know, man. Just love these coins from for some silly reason. I understand. and they have these YouTubers that just go live, and every single day they read the news, even if the coin is going down. They keep on reading the news, talking about, yeah, guys, look at this. Hey, what's going on, Peter? How you doing? You said, is BT going to hold in its current situation or go lower? Well, Peter, right now I'm short BTC. So I don't know if BTC is going to go lower or not. Okay, I don't know if it's going to go lower or not. But me personally, I'm short right now, and I'm looking to get out of BTC hopefully soon. Okay. But yes, I'm short, and the way it looks right now, Peter, it looks like it's trying to go down some more. Yes, it looks like it's trying to go down some more. So let me go back to these questions. Arena said, sorry, not to brag, you made 12 you made 12 euros in 2 days. Arena, how you did that by going long or going short? And did you get the course yet, Arena? Shout out to you for making this money, though. It's good to see that you making this money. Annette says, can you calculate the cheaper coins? I never actually took a short on the cheaper coins, so I'll have to ask somebody in this live stream. Anybody in this live stream that shorted TRX, what volume size did you use? Annette wants to know. Let her know, because somebody actually made $187 yesterday shorting TRX, so she wants to know. Businessman said, went short, made $44. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. If you're new to my channel, this is what I'm talking about. I think, you know, some of you guys just don't understand what's going on. Some of you guys just, I don't know. But I tell you guys all the time, there's money out here. Okay, sitting and waiting for your money to come through is, I don't know. But shout out to Businessman for making that money. Okay, shout out to him for making $44 last night. Exposed said, don't mean to be a troll, probably just being lazy. I'm just unclear with moving my stops. I don't lose trades. I don't plan to start because I don't know how to exchange properly. No, well, you don't have to move your stop. You just basically go through my course again, expose, and I explain everything. Okay, you don't have to move your stop. But you know, don't worry about losses either. Don't worry about losses either. Everybody take this loss. Everybody take a loss. Okay, right now I'm short BTC. I like the setup. It's a nice little setup on BTC on the daily chart. But let's say I take a loss on this one. Okay, it wouldn't bother me at all. I don't care. Okay, but to me, this is a very high quality setup. Very high quality setup on a daily chart. So that's why I'm taking it. So I'm reading these questions, guys. I'm reading these questions. So let me see. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are new to my channel, thanks a lot. Businessman said, "Do you think BTC will make another top or just be a small pullback?" Yeah, that's very hard to say. Okay, right now, Bitcoin, it can actually just go straight down from here. Okay, it could go straight down from here, making these. You see how Bitcoin make these small pullbacks? It can do the same thing. It can make little small pullbacks and go straight down from here. The way I'm thinking, I don't think it's going to do that, but it's a possibility. It's a possibility, but I'm thinking that it probably go up one more time to test these highs again. I'm guessing it's going to go up probably one more time to test these highs. Or we might see it, depending on how much selling comes in, we might see it try to go past this high one more time, but we'll see. It all depends on how much selling comes in. You said any discounts, Canadians, of course, is almost 150 for us. I don't understand. So you trying to say that the cost is 150 for you right here? Email me, Lord. I'm gonna give you my email address. Email me right now, and I'll see what I can do for the Canadians. But shout out to you for wanting to get this course. So I just put my email address to you. I just gave you my email address. So Sean said my portfolio is quite diversified. Sean, I don't think you heard anything I said to you, Sean. I don't think you heard anything I said to you, okay? It doesn't matter if your portfolio is diversified. The way crypto works is if BTC is going down, everybody else is going down, okay? So unfortunately, in the crypto world, it doesn't matter if you diversify. But the way you're going at it or about the situation, you said that if XLM keeps going down, you're gonna keep on buying. Let me see. Yeah, Leslie Savage said, keep on, smash the likes. Definitely hit the likes. Shout out to Arena, said keep it real, no problem, man. You said BTCs keep testing 75. Yep, it is. So you say you might convert to USD. Okay, no problem, Peter. So Law said, what's in the course? Tutorial videos? Yes, it's basically videos showing you step by step how to read the charts, what setups to use, how to enter, how to exit, and it's a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay. If you go on the page, I explain a lot of stuff right here. But yes, there's a lot of stuff. Okay. I'm about to get off this chat rooms. You said, is it a scam? I don't know, Amir. A lot of things in crypto world is a scam, so I don't know. You said I came in the crypto world as an investor and have spent almost every waking moment learning how to be a trader. I'm close to being unstoppable. Make solid trades all day. Just wait till I learn leverage. Shout out to Expose. Twin Truckers. Are you new to my channel, Twin Truckers? Twin Truckers, are you new to my channel? You said that I'm starting to lose faith in crypto, bro. Enlighten us. Yeah, let me know, Twin. I think I saw you before, Truckers. Truckers, I think I saw you before on my chat. Are you new though? Are you new? Uh, 45 said, I got Ben course, lost some trades, but won more, enough to catch up and pay the bills. Now I'm studying, practicing, and building up my capital, getting back in. Ben course is legit. So shout out to 45 for making his money, making back his money. You said not really new to the channel. Okay, so yes, Twin, I understand. You said that you start losing faith. Yes. So right now, Twin, what's really going on? Most people don't want to talk about it on a channel, or it's a couple reasons why they don't want to talk about it. Number one, they feel like a lot of people are probably going to unsubscribe from their channel, so they don't want to talk about it. And number two, or number two, they don't even know about it. They so blinded, and they just only think one way, and they don't even know, you know, what's really happening. So what's really going on with crypto world right now as we speak is basically we had this crazy up move. Okay, it was just unsustainable up move, and the market can't continue to go up in a straight line like this. It's just the market is not, you know, is not built for that. So when you see something go up like this in a straight line, most likely you're going to see a violent pullback, and that's what we're seeing right now. Okay, now also what comes with that, okay, with the crypto world, what comes with that is we have the government trying to regulate things. Okay, so this is not the same market that we had back in the days. Okay, this is a different market right now because the government is looking at people making all this money and saying, hey, you know what's really going on here. Okay, and not only that, they notice that there's a lot of scams going on. Okay, especially these ICOs, and now they're trying to crack down. They're trying to crack down on a lot of stuff. They know that a lot of these exchanges are scams too. They're doing a lot of, you know, things behind the scenes, so they know all this stuff. So don't be surprised if you start to see news, maybe probably next year, news, different things come out with crypto. But overall, what's going on is the government is slowing down the market. Okay, we also was in a bubble phase where the market was just going straight up, and the market is just like someone running. Okay, imagine a human being running. Okay, and then imagine that person just doing, you know, just sprinting and just running real fast. Eventually that person is going to either collapse or just rest because he's out of breath, he's tired. Okay, so same thing with the market. The market was running like crazy. So the market right now is tired, it's resting right now, and most likely we're going to continue to go down lower. And it's sad because a lot of people got in at the top because they believe in the whole technology, and I believe in the technology too. But you know, that's a unsustainable move when the market goes straight up like that. That's very unsustainable. So, Twin, if you are new to this, investing world, you definitely have to learn how to read the charts, because right now we are in a bear market, and you have to accept the fact that the market will continue to go lower. Okay, and if you can't accept that fact, then number one, of course, I'm not telling nobody what to do, but you either have to get out of the market, or you can do things that me and my students are doing right now, which is we are taking advantage of these short-term swings. Okay, if you look at the market never goes straight up or straight down. It always have these pullbacks. So look at this. We see the market went down, it pulled back, it went down, pulled back, went down, pulled back. So me and my students are taking advantage of these swings and creating monthly income, for ourselves, because we understand how the market works. Okay, most people in the crypto world, all they know how to do is hold. Okay, buy and hold is a beginner strategy, and you can make money with the strategy. But the downfall with that strategy is, number one, you might get in too late. Okay, so this is a great example right here. Well, a lot of people got in late, and now it's a bear market, and we could last for for years being in this bear market right here. And a lot of people don't understand that. They don't understand how bear markets work. They don't understand how deadly a bear market could be. So you have to be honest with yourself, and you have to sit down and say, can I really deal with the market, going down more and more and more? Or do I want to learn how to become a professional and make money whether the market goes up or down? Because that's what me and my students are doing. We're making money whether the market goes up or down. I do this full time. I've been doing this for 11 years. So, it's up to you if you want to take your investing to that next level. But, to me, that's the best way to go. That's the best way to go, especially in a bear market. But I understand that right now you're losing faith. I understand that. Trust me. Because when I first got into the investing world, which it wasn't the crypto world, it was the stock market world. Okay, I bought my first stock. It was a penny stock. Penny stocks are very volatile, just like crypto market. Okay, and I was holding it. Everything was looking good. The product was in the store. The company was advertising on these on a NASCAR. So overall, everything looked 100%. Like, I thought that stock was going to the moon, but I lost all my money with that stock. I had to sell it and had to get out. So you have to understand. Sometimes you just have to lose in order to gain knowledge. And, that's what a lot of people are doing right now. This market could continue down and go lower. It could go much lower than this. This is just the beginning. Okay, this thing could go real low. This is why I tell people, why would you want to buy at these levels, and this thing could go lower? Okay, but yeah, unfortunately, we are in a bear market, and you have to understand how the market works. So if you don't have this course, just check it out. During the live stream, it's 50% off. If you don't have this course, this will basically put you on the right track. It will show you the different market cycles. It will show you how to make this money step by step. If you want to make money right now, then that course will teach you everything you need to know. And I have a lot of testimonials, so you could definitely check that out. But overall, you have to just learn how the market works. Learn how the market works, and you'll be okay. So shout out to Twin. I just copy paste that link for you. Let me see. Lord said you emailed me. Okay, I will check the email when I get off this stream, Lloyd. Okay. But Lloyd, I mean, honestly, that doesn't make sense, right? Because if you pay through PayPal, doesn't it automatically know that you're from Canada? I don't know. I never did that before. But guys, let me know if Lloyd pays through PayPal, does PayPal automatically knows that he's from Canada and it would switch the things? Because Lord, you're not the only one that's out of the country that's buying my course. So honestly, I don't know if why would you have a problem. So guys, let me know if PayPal automatically changed the currency. Twin said invested back in February. Yes. So if you invested back in February and you're down 2K, yes, I definitely understand your pain. And this is why, Twin, this is why I told you that you have to understand the market, because you got in late. You know, you got into the crypto market late. It's just what it is. So this market could continue to go back down, and your 2K could turn into you know, I don't have to say the rest. You said BTC sleep. Give me I hear you, man. It give you moon peak eyes. Yeah, Twin. You said you got no choice to hodl. Twin, that's not true at all. Because my students that got the course, Twin, a lot of them are still holding coins. All right, a lot of them are still holding coins, but they're still making money from these short-term swings. Okay, so don't. My job is to basically give you guys another way to look at the market, because most of you guys probably are new to this stuff. You don't understand nothing. You just got into the crypto because either you saw it on the news or your friend talked about it, or whatever the case is, and you don't understand how investing works. Okay, I made a video the other day about that. You know, and basically you just have to understand how everything works. You can still make money while you're still holding your coins. Yes, you're most likely you'll probably lose money if it goes down, but you can still make money whether the market goes down or up if you learn how to do it. Okay? I had students that went into the market. They bought my course. They went into the market with $100 and they turned that $100 into $700. Okay? So, you know, it's up to you, man. At the end of the day, I'm not here to try to convince nobody. Let me see. TG said, Trucker, get the course. Thanks a lot, TG. Yes, Trucker. This course right here is 50% off only on live stream. So I'm about to get off live stream soon. So it's up to you. Like I said, I don't force nobody. I don't force nobody. It's up to you. I gave you the link below. So, Sir Brand said, I'm new to your channel. I really like your live sessions. Would like to ask you, is it possible to get the discount on your course? Yes, it's very possible. So basically, and Lloyd, someone said that once you pay, it's going to switch to my currency. So Lloyd, you don't have to pay $150. Okay, so once you buy, it's going to switch automatically to my currency. So Lloyd, are you still here? Are you still in the building? But shout out to Saban. Yes, Saban. this course right here is the discount. Okay, this course is $210, and once I get off this live stream, it's going to go right back to $210. So right now it is the discount. So if you go to the link below, I copy and paste the link below, you'll get the discount. So Ben said, unfortunately, I invested in January as Twin Truckers did. I lost 80%. Man, 80%, guys. I don't understand how investing works. Okay. So Saban, did you see the link below? Please get that link, because if you lost 80%, that is not good at all. Okay, did you see the link, Saban? Yeah, Lloyd, I don't know if you're still on the stream, but if not, I'll email you. But Saban, yes, man, that's sad, man. That's sad to see that you lost 80%. That is very sad. You know, yes, you have to understand how investing works. And I talked about this. I made a video. I think it was yesterday or day before yesterday. Okay, and I was telling people, okay, a lot of people that got into the crypto world, they got into it because they heard about it either from their friends or the TV, and they love the idea. They love the idea of, you know, decentralized and not dealing with the government, whatever the case is. And they don't understand that once you invest, that's a separate thing. Okay, it's a separate thing from, you know, using a coin and investing into the coin. Those are two separate things. So once you invest into something, you have to know what to do. You have to know how investing work. You have to know. Okay, so if you don't know how investing works, then definitely check out that course, because it's just, you know, things, honestly, guys, I'm not saying that just to, you know, to scare people, but things could get ugly, and things could go much lower than this, much lower than this. If you look at the whole chart, right? If you look at the whole chart, we went down since January, right? We've been having a bear market ever since January. I've been telling people that bear markets don't last for, because most people thought that this was the bottom right here. I said, guys, bear market don't last for 7 months or 8 months. Okay, we've been going down for pretty much the whole year, more than half of the year, and you know, for it to reverse like that, we're gonna need a lot of buyers, a lot of new buyers to come in, and we haven't seen that yet. Go to the volume is still weak. If you look at Bitcoin volume back in January, December, right, the volume is so high. You know, let's check it, right? Let's just check it. Okay, back in December, let's go back year to date. Actually, it's going to show me in January, but it's the same thing. We had 10 billion, 16 billion, 16 billion, 21, 23, 18, 15. You know, these numbers are crazy. Bitcoin was like going up like crazy. Okay, a lot of buyers was in here, but now what we have, okay, we have 5 billion, 6 billion, 4 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 5 billion. We actually saw a 2 billion not too long ago. That's the lowest I ever saw this thing go. Okay, and now we have 5 billion, 5 billion, 4 billion. So overall, guys, this whole thing is weak. There's no new buys right now in the market. Let me see on a 4 hour how it looks. Yeah. So, okay, Lloyd. So yes, Lloyd, if you're here, they said that if you buy this right here, it's going to automatically transfer the money to me. It doesn't matter. You're not going to pay $150. Saban said it's sad. I got into crypto because of the fun fear. Yeah, I know, man. I know. A lot of people got into the crypto. Nara says, Saban, when you get the course, it will change your situation. Don't be sorry. We all been yes. So he's right. Nara's right. Nara is one of my he's one of my students, and basically he's right. You guys, you have to understand, right? I've been doing this for 11 years. Throughout my career, before I actually got good and started to make money, I lost over $85,000. Okay, I could have easily said, you know what, I'm done. I give up. I hate this. I can't stand this. You know, but no, I never gave up because I love this. I love trading. I love investing. I love it. Okay, it's to me is one of the best businesses in the world because you don't have to deal with no employees. You don't have to deal with no marketing. You don't have to deal with no customers. No nothing. No meetings. No nothing. So it's just strictly you and the computer. Okay, I can go anywhere around the world and trade and invest and make money. But in order to do that, you have to understand how it works. Okay, you can't get to that level unless you understand how it works. I'm reading these comments real quick. Yes, so Lord, did you hear what I said? Because you didn't answer me. You said yeah. You said yes. I'm here. But did you hear what I said about the Canadians? How if you buy it, it's going to automatically. It's not going to charge you $150. Saban said, how much time do you keep your eyes on a chart each day so you won't lose occasions? So I don't have to keep my eyes on the chart. Okay. Right now I'm short BTC on a daily chart right now. Okay, I'm short BTC. I didn't have to keep my eyes on a chart. I'm short, and throughout the day I do whatever I have to do. I do whatever I have to do during the day. I check it here and there, but I don't go crazy. What's going on, 911? Good to see you here. Good to see you here. Good to see everybody here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. Right now, the market is looking weak. The altcoins is looking weak. Everything is looking weak. But guess what, guys? You can actually take advantage of that. That's only if you want to. A lot of people on this live chat is making this money. Shout out to you guys. Let me hit that cha-ching button. Shout out to you guys that's making this money out here. So let me read if I see any questions. Let me see. Yes, Loader Boy said hodling and swing trading are two different things. You can do both at the same time. Yep, you definitely do that. Daniel said we have to break the 75 barrier to go lower. If that happens, I see 68. Yeah, 68 is definitely it could happen. But 68, let me see. if we break down, if we break the 75, I think the 7,000 level will be the next resistance. 7,000 level will be the next resistance. And then if, when we break that, then we probably go to the 68. Let me see. I'm about to get out of here, but let me see if I see any questions. If you're new to my channel, if you have any questions before I go, let me know. What's going on, 9/11? Good to see you here. Sabran said, I learned the hard way. Well, we all learn things the hard way, but at the same time, our learning experience can actually help us. Okay, every time you lose or go through something, if it's up to you if you decide whether you just want to give up or you can actually learn from that situation. And that's what I do. I try to learn. Every time I make a mistake, I learn from my situation, my mistakes, and that definitely make you a stronger person. But shout out to you. I understand what you're going through, Sabran, man. I trust me. I understand what you're going through. It's tough, man. It's tough. It's tough. But guys, I'm about to get out of here. I don't see no new questions. I don't see any new questions, so I'm about to get out of here. Just be careful if you're buying. If you're buying these dips, be careful, because buying dips in a market like this is very dangerous. A lot of people don't understand how far this stuff can go. And it, honestly, it's not right to. It's not right to risk your whole life savings on one coin. Okay, just because it looks cheap or whatever the case is, you don't have to risk your whole life savings. That's what most people are doing right now. I see a lot of people risking their whole life savings, saying that they don't have no more money left to buy these dips. You don't have to do that, guys. You don't have to do that, because that's a very dangerous strategy. I done showed you guys why it's a very dangerous strategy. I showed you that coin market cap back in 2013, the first page is way different. Okay, you see these coins right here. None of these coins are on the first page. So if you think that that's not going to happen again, then you don't understand how investing works. Right now we have a bear market. So when we have a bear market, most likely a bear market wipes out coins that shouldn't be on the first page. And people want to put their whole life savings on these coins, and they don't understand how investing works. But anyway, guys, it is what it is. Let me get out of here. Let me see if I see one more question before I leave. Haltic said, what's your opinion on Tron TRX? Chart wise is weak, just like Bitcoin. Okay, it's weak just like Bitcoin. Overall, I have nothing else to say about Tron, because it doesn't matter what Tron is doing. It doesn't matter what Tron is doing. Tron could come out with so much news. It doesn't matter, because the whole overall market is in a bear market. So right now, the way I'm looking at Tron is most likely it's going to go lower. Okay, we found resistance right here. A lot of my students made money shorting Tron. A lot of my students made money shorting Tron because they understand that Tron, when they come out with some news, they pump and then they dump right after the news. So a lot of my students made money from this. So trust me, I would love to say something good about Tron chart right now, but I can't say nothing good about Tron chart right now because it's going down. You know, if it was going up, then I would say something good about it. But right now it's going down, and that's because we are in the bear market, and that's what coins do in the bear market. So you have to be prepared for that. You can still make money in the bear market. Ben, do you see this going to the upside from 475 resistance? Could this, honestly, I don't see right now 75 to me on BTC is not really resistance yet. 75 right now is not resistance. It probably looks like resistance, but it's not resistance right now. If you look at the 75, it's really no buyers came in yet. Okay, so 75 to me right now is it's not a support level right here. It's not support at all. There's no really big buys came in the market right now. So overall, it still look weak. Until I see, you know, big buys come in, then I would say, okay, 75 is support, and most likely we're gonna come and test the top. Okay, but right now, as we speak, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. Even though we bounced up a little bit, it's a tiny bit from the 75. That's still not enough to show me that that's support. I need more buyers to come in. So 75 is not support as of yet. We can continue to go right back down and blow past 75. So I'm about to get out of here, guys. Thanks a lot. You said I would buy. Yes. So Brian, so if you want to buy the course today, it's up to you. I don't rush nobody. It's up to you. But like I said before, on a live stream, it's 50% off. And once I get off this live stream, you have to pay the full price. So like I said, it's up to you. But I'm about to get off this live stream. For you guys that don't have this course, check it out. But thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot. Nara, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for coming through, Nara. I might do another live stream. So I might do another live stream today. So if you guys are available today, I might do another live stream probably around 8 o'clock. I'm not too sure. But if you are available 8 o'clock, definitely check out the live stream. But shout out to David, shout out to Daniel, shout out to Businessman, Nara, 45, Sabran, everybody that's here, Daniel, all my new viewers that's here, Expose, 911, everybody that's here, Arena. Thanks a lot for coming through, guys. Leslie Savage for making his money, and everybody else that's making his money. Shout out to you guys. Let me hit that cha-ching button for you guys. And thanks a lot for coming through. And I'll see you guys later. All right, see you guys later. And we definitely talk later and keep you guys updated. So, all right, talk to you guys later.